All right, so if you watched this video, you'll know that we talked about three layers of connective tissue that surround a nerve. There's an outer layer known as the epineurium, the middle layer known as the perineurium, and the inner layer known as the endoneurium. And each one of those layers are made of connective tissue and they have sort of its own little function, but then collectively they have a function in of themselves. So the epineurium, that outer layer, is sort of a protective layer from, I call it physical trauma, if you will. So it helps protect the nerve from physical damage and it helps support it within the body so that it doesn't go sloshing around as you go running around. Right? Now that middle layer, the perineurium, is also a protective layer, but it serves as what we call a diffusion barrier. So pathogens can't cross that barrier and get to the actual nerve fiber. So it's a protective layer against infection in the nerves. So that prevents any sort of microbes or pathogens from getting into the nerve itself or the nerve fibers themselves. Now the endoneurium, that inner layer that surrounds the individual nerve fibers, that's going to be the layer that serves as a protective layer, but also as an electrical barrier. So as these nerve fibers are creating an electrical impulse, it stops it from spreading to adjacent nerve fibers. Right? So it keeps that sort of isolated. Now, collectively, these three layers do something in the body that is very important physiologically, and that is called compartmentalization. And compartmentalization is something that students in physiology need to learn very early on because it allows separate entities of the body to work independently as they all work together to maintain homeostasis. Hope that helps. Later.